Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's localize the build number, which is right here, and all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. After that, simply go back to the general settings and enter the system. Tap on the developer options, they should appear right at the very bottom of the list, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the background process limit, we can override force dark option, or show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, etc. So quite a lot of options to customize, to choose from. In order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher on it. So basically it works just like in the regular settings. Just tap on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.